Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the essentials: an active VPN account and an updated iPhone. First, install the provider app from the App Store, then sign in with your credentials. If you prefer manual setup, copy the server, account, and shared secret values now. Once done, allow the app to add VPN configurations when prompted. This creates a profile in Settings. Make sure location and network permissions are granted so connections and server selection work smoothly when you proceed to connect. Open the VPN app and pick a server that fits your need: speed, country, or privacy. Tap Connect. Watch the status change to connected and the VPN icon appear in the status bar. For manual configuration, go to Settings, General VPN, add VPN configuration, choose ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP, and enter server, remote ID, and your credentials. Once configured, enable Connect on Demand or Automatic Reconnect, so your iPhone restores the tunnel whenever apps need it. After connecting, verify the VPN is active by checking the VPN icon and loading a site that shows your public IP. It should match the VPN server location. If the connection drops, toggle the VPN off and on, switch servers, or restart the iPhone to clear temporary network issues. If manual settings are used, re-enter server values and credentials carefully. Finally, gather connection logs and contact your VPN provider for help. They can advise protocol changes or provide a fresh configuration file to resolve stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.